Hey guys, just wanted to give you an update on what's going on and why I haven't posted in a while. I've been having issues with the Camaro, one thing after another. If you'll remember, I was supposed to race the green 65 Mustang and the fuel pump relay died on the Camaro. Well, that wasn't the only problem. Turns out the fuel pump itself died. So, had to drop the tank, take that out, put a new fuel pump in, all that. Then the Opti dies. So, right now, I just bought an 0411 computer to swap into the car and going to be doing away with the Opti because I've done way too many of them. This also delayed plans to go meet up with the guy with the black Firebird. I know some of you have been asking about that. I'm sorry I haven't been able to post anything. Things just haven't worked out the way I wanted, but it's coming. I promise the stuff's going to be coming soon, so just stay tuned, and I'm going to get some videos out to you guys as soon as I can. Thanks for being patient.